Candida Khan, also known as Didi on social media. Basically, what you could do to help you guys maintain good health and wealth at home is to practice a healthy balance. As your wellness coach and lifestyle professional, I'm here to guide you because I want you to live your best life by adding foods that are nourishing to your body. Because you can either add to your wellness or take away from it. And right now during lockdown, you want to take extra precautions. So basically, you want to make sure that you increase your vitamin C from fruits that you eat. Every single day, you want to include at least one healthy fruit, and high vitamin C fruits could be like our local soursop, our West Indian cherries, plums, mangoes, whatever fruits you like, just include one fruit every day. You could also make sure that you could get some vitamin D from our sunlight. I know it's pretty rainy, but if you can sit by the window or get some sunlight outside when it's not raining, that's going to help a lot with the calcium absorption and help with your bones and your overall wellness. Another few tips about what you should be including into your body: you need to get some honey, because honey and lime, a little bit of honey and lime can definitely boost your immune system and add to your wellness. And if you drink herbal tea every single day, the organic herbal tea is going to help you to relax and de-stress, which is very important, because when you're stressed out and when you have a lot of stress in your life, which is definitely something that we are all going through, it's going to impact your immune system negatively. So you want to make sure you relax and de-stress to help to boost your immune system and prevent you from feeling sick. Besides our favorite fruits, you always want to make sure you include some veggies, and we have a lot of nutritious and delicious local vegetables available. Whatever you like, you could include it, but some high vitamin C vegetables can be bell peppers, it can be broccoli, and once you eat your fruits and you include those veggies, it's definitely going to impact your immune system positively. So make sure you get a variety of colors. I know tomatoes are a bit expensive right now, but make sure you get a variety of things in your diet and your life, and it's definitely going to help and add to your wellness, because the more colors, the more nutrients, which is going to give you the energy you need to survive. And remember, you can always practice the plate method at home, and this is going to help as well to keep a better balance in your life. Another few tips is to make sure that you do some home activities, because at home you can definitely still keep fit and it's not going to be so difficult. Just try to do something, anything that you enjoy, do it with your family. Definitely video chat and do everything that you have to do online, because everything can be delivered. So safety is very important right now at home. And if you're interested in any of my products or services, remember my consultancy is virtual, Didi's Nutrition Consultancy, and I'm doing deliveries for my products that could help to boost your immune system. I have my wellness package available, so you can always check it out, because I do have a free 15-minute consultation to help you to reach your goals, because health is wealth and you can't do anything without it. Bye! Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.